Hey, what's up, everyone? I upgraded from a coffee pot to an espresso maker. Check it out. There it is in all its glory. And now I'm going to attempt to make a coffee with it. Here we go. It appears as though all my mugs are too big to fit underneath the espresso maker, so back to the coffee pot we go. Now we take the coffee grounds and put them into the coffee pot. Just like that. Okay, I've got the coffee running right now. Let's see if it starts. There we go. Okay, the coffee is done brewing now, so now we pour a cup and enjoy.